There goes Sandy in town, a.k.a. Marty Gina in this bitch. Get the fireworks. Detroit. Lot of hood rats, lot of hood rats.
How long yours before it comes?
I can record it, but I put it on 5 because we record it for 10.
That's before that.
Oh, man, it's like a thing, your ass. Ooh, it's Kitty. Little rats people. Little rats everywhere people. People, look at it. Oh, there go one. Kitty. Say something. It's a scandal. I'm loving it. It's like a double cheeseburger in the sky. Oh, happy meal with fries. Hey, baby. So bad, y'all. I'm about to die. I wish I had a dip because I'm right here on somebody's leg right now. It's so pretty. Ooh. No, don't get me. What up, sis? Enjoying the fireworks, baby? Oh, the fireworks. Dang, I'm done. When I got the camera, they gonna do the baby shit. Woo! Yeah! Oh, we got the perfect spot, y'all. We got the perfect spot. I'm about to zoom in. Oh, it stopped. That's Detroit for you. That's Detroit. Got a bell. Hey, let me put this on 10 minutes. I put it on 5. I thought it was going to be more than 5 minutes.
No, it's like 30 minutes.
Is it? Okay, look. I'm going to pause it and I'm going to resume. I'm going to tag y'all in this one. Oh, look at Tone. He stole the shot. That's how he's the high. He was a Viking. That's what Vikings. They don't know better. Bulldogs ain't scared. So Bulldogs. Vikings. Oh! I told you I wasn't going to princess so fucking bad, dog. Oh my god. I ain't It's so pretty. Who's here? Man, that's what they said. You would have been right over it on the boat. They had the food, the dancing, outdoor seating. That shit would have been perfect on that fucking boat. I'm going to that Michael Jackson tribute. I can't even breathe. I can't even do it. Oh shit, I'm about to die. Why you point that shit out? Man, you ain't right. That's nasty. That's on the recorder. Man, that's on the recorder.